Hi guys, hi beautiful people, it's your girl Atoya, and in this week's video I'm going to attempt to put on a wig. Yes, I said that right. I'm going to attempt to put a wig on, and it's one of those lace wigs. I've bought wigs before, but it's just one of those synthetic wigs that is just put on and go. So this one is something that's extremely new for me. So I want to just come on here. I mean, I've done a lot of natural hair stuff on my channel, and I'm like, you know what? Let me try one of these wigs and see if it's actually easy or, you know, hard as the other YouTubers make it. So stay tuned for that. So, you know, the first thing I'm gonna do, so this is just a t-shirt that I have on. So I'm just gonna remove it. It's the Christmas holiday, so I'm wearing a Christmas pajama, you know, to wake up tomorrow in the morning. Well, anyway, so yeah, so this is just a t-shirt. My hair is a mess. So anyways, I have, first thing, I have a wig cap here, so I'm just gonna put it over my head. And the reason why my hair is this is a plait that has been in for like a month, and I was supposed to take it out before the Christmas holidays, but I got really busy and really lazy, and I didn't want to. So here it goes.
Because my hair is in individual plaits, I'm just trying to tuck everything underneath the cap right now. I'm trying to get it not to bulk on one side, so I'm just separating it. I just want to give you a 360 to see what it looks like when everything is finally tucked. That's it, moving on.
So the hair that I'm gonna use is called the sheer mousse, and it comes in a package like this.
I turned the back to see if you guys could have read anything on the back, but you couldn't, so moving on. So I'm just gonna remove the cap from the bag right now to give you a better visual as to what it looks like. So that's how it comes in the package. So the hair is quite long. I don't remember the exact length, but if you take a look, you can see that it's really lengthy. And at the end of the video, I'll show you, or close to the end of the video, I'll show you how long it is. I think it reaches me somewhere to my bum or whatnot, so, but you'll see. So here I'm just removing some clips that is attached to the lace. Just removing it carefully, just to ensure that you know safe removal, that nothing really happened to the lace. And it's pinned on both sides, so you know the lace is well secured. Now I'm ready to put on the wig, only to find that there was another tag that needs to be removed.
Okay, so it comes, I like it. It's kind of synthetic. It comes with the lace here, and it already comes with the baby hair, and it's already a center part, which I really wanted the center part. And inside, so inside it comes with combs 1, 2, and 3, and then it comes with a strap here. So let's see if I need to loosen it or what. I think for one, I may need to take my cap back a bit.
I'm already in love with this wig. I think it looks cute on me already. I'm not really a baby hair person, so I may just hide those. The hair is already straight enough, so it doesn't need any extra flat ironing or anything of that sort. I'm just showing you right now the length of it. It's, as I mentioned earlier, it's quite long.
I'm touching my neighbor right now just to give you an idea of how long it is. So yeah, so that's it for that one. Now on to the big stuff. Now this for me, I think is the really hard part because I'm going to be cutting the lace now. I am just putting my hair in a quick ponytail just to get, you know, the hair out of the way so I won't be bothered with it. Guys, I haven't bought a lace wig for this main reason. I feel like I'm always going to be messing up the lace and it just wouldn't turn out right. So I always kind of stay far from, you know, lace wigs. But, you know, first time for everything. So let's see how this goes. Honeys, I'm attempting to cut this hair now. And of course, I grabbed the dullest scissors in the house. So I switched it out for the knife. And that didn't make a big difference at all. I feel like a hot mess. And this is why God didn't make me an everyday hot girl. Bruh, at this point, you know what? I think I should have watched a couple more YouTube videos. Even though I've watched a bazillion already. So I thought to myself, you know what? Let me take it off and try to cut the lace without it being on my head to see if that works any better. And it actually did. I would suggest if it's your first time and you want to get a lace wig, maybe get a mannequin head and try to cut it with a very sharp knife and do it as neatly or close to the edge as possible. Judgment. Okay, attempt number 2. So now I cut the lace as best as I could. And I'm gonna put it on to see how it looks. Girl, it may be the lighting or whatever, but I feel like the part that is left on the lace, it laid down on my skin quite well. And yeah, I really like it. Let's see how it goes, you know. Okay, so now I'm wondering what's happening because it doesn't feel as tight as it was before. So I'm trying to use the comb to attach it. But then I took it off to see what was wrong, and then I realized that it was unhooked. So I went ahead and hooked it, and attempt number 3. So I'm trying to place it on perfectly at this point, and then only to realize that it still wasn't tight enough. So I had to go ahead again and take it off. I underestimated how small my head is. I just have a big forehead, but apparently not a big head. So taking it off again, tighten it, and then put it right back on. The combs under the wig got stuck into my hair, and that's the reason for my facial expression. Don't pay that any mind. And thanks to taking off and putting on this wig, I can always skip arm day at the gym this week. So no need for all that. I was contemplating if I needed to add any, you know, hair glue or anything at this point, and I'm like, okay, you know what, let me just go ahead without it and see how it turns out, if it's something that I need going forward or not. So I just combed the hair out a bit. I'm gonna tuck the baby hair under the hair to see if that hides the lace a bit, because as I mentioned, I don't really like baby hair. It's in my face a lot, especially so much, so just gonna take that out. So the got2b glue I just showed, I'm going to not use it only because I'll be inside the house. I'm not going outside, so yeah, I will definitely use it if I was supposed to go outside, because I think it would give it a better hold and it would make the lace less visible. If you're a baby hair person, then this wig is definitely for you because everything is already preset. As for me, it's just giving me the ability to hide the lace, and I feel like it did a good job with that. One thing though, this wig needs constant detangling. It tangles really easily. Of course, it's synthetic and whatnot, but it definitely tangles really quick. Ladies, forgive me, but I'm feeling myself at this point. I'm giving you a close-up of what it looks like. See, the center part looks great, the lacing looks great. So yeah, I'm definitely feeling myself. This is an image of how long it is. Yeah, there's another close-up. you can barely see the lace, and I didn't use any glue or anything. All I did was just tuck the baby hair under. I'm trying to see what it would look like behind my ears, and see, the entire lace shows. So I'm trying to put it behind my hair without the lace showing, but it is. So yeah, so I'm trying to do some magic. I'm putting a part of the hair to cover the lace behind my hairs and then bring the other part forward. It worked, but I don't think this would be long standing. You definitely need glue in order to, you know, make it last if you're not gonna wear it all the way down or cover your ears with the hair. Otherwise, you definitely have to use glue, because see, Miss Lacey keeps showing. You see me playing around with the hair is because I really like it, and I'm trying to figure out other things that I can do with it, besides, you know, putting it, covering my ears and putting it in a ponytail. I'm trying to hide a little more of my forehead. Well, my forehead just big. So what I'm gonna try next is try to put it behind my ears again, but you know, maybe leave out some hair at the front to see if it hides the lace and to see if that looks good either way. I'm trying my hardest and my best to try and hide these lace, but trust me, I think it's really difficult, again, without the glue. So definitely, if you need any other fancy style, you're going to need glue. You know what? It actually doesn't look too bad. So I'm just gonna keep it like this and work with it for the next minute or so. And then show you, give you a good picture of the actual length. So here I'm just showing off the length of the hair. I'm loosening the ponytail. I really love this wig, guys. The only problem I have with it is that it tangles too much, and if you look at the ends of the hair, I don't really like the cut at the ends, but otherwise I think it's a really good hair, and I got it at my local beauty supply store, and I got it for like $100. If you need any information regarding the wig, just shoot me a comment and I'll let you know. Bye.